Welcome to the channel and something a little different. I'm actually working on the restoration of the steering wheel. You can see that that's a interesting, we'll call it, it almost looks like toothpaste on here, but anyways, that is a plastic filler, and I'm kind of in around the middle section of doing this, but this is going to be an entire video coming up. This video actually is a little more on the personal side, I guess, because of course you guys get to know us both by the work we do, but also a little bit of our personalities, and of course most of the time it's Tim and Mitch and myself. But this one has a little more of a larger group involved in it, and there's two kinds of lies that are told. The ones that a politician tells us that usually is somehow reaching around the back and sticking it in our butt side. And then there's the family side of things where deceit is with good intention. And in this case, it was actually deceit with good intention because it was family and friends. And these deceitful lies were actually almost 6 months that they held them back. My brother and sister-in-law were here for a visit, and Saturday my brother asked if I wanted to go to the pub for a beer that he was buying. Well, how can you say no to that? But when we got back, you guys have seen our driveway a number of times in our videos, and this is kind of what happened as I walked up the driveway.
We'll be the ones standing up.
You guys look ridiculous. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Jimi Hendrix.
He doesn't see them, yeah.
Oh, nice.
You have an outfit too, don't you worry.
I'm wearing mine.
Yeah, he does.
Here you go.
It's probably messed up.
Oh, probably is like.
Oh, I got the hug. Look at me. Wow. I make my rounds. Oh, they're going to take it out. I know. My God. You'll get on there. We're. Hello. You know it's not my birthday, even though I keep claiming it is, right? Yeah. Well, I only kept half. It was the second. Well, I do remember that much, right? It hasn't completely kicked in, yes. Look at you. Hey, Russ. You actually.
You don't have to hug me.
You
see me every day.
You've kept this outfit from the days, I bet, right? Yep.
Yeah, look, bell bottoms and everything. Happy birthday.
You guys do realize that I was too young to wear all this clothing at the time,
Yeah,
right?
right.
I didn't recognize you.
Peace, man.
Sorry. What's going on?
That makes it.
Yep. You're right.
No.
That's amazing. And he's standing
Older guy.
Okay, kid. Knock it off.
right there.
All right, I'm gonna make this wrap. Hello there. Happy birthday, Russ.
Oh my.
I thought you guys booked Iggy Pop. My new girlfriend. Oh my! Were you even hiding out in the field?
Here, let me get out of the way here.
Oh, no worries.
Airbnb. Oh really?
Got to finish his route.
His route. I know because there's beer at the end of it. Oh, too fun with this guy.
How was that for a surprise?
That's a surprise.
Took you long enough.
Oh, they finally let you wear that, eh?
They did. All of it. I had to dig that out, brush the dust off it. I wasn't old enough to get it. I borrowed it, actually, from my brother.
He didn't have a
really?
clue.
He had it?
Yeah.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm telling you, I thought that was
The
a
hair
pop
blew it
back
away.
then.
I gave it
I
away.
don't think I know this guy, although I'll just shake his hand. Oh, no, you
That's awesome.
Oh, yeah. You did really high. You got a little hug. Is this?
Get up, Kobe.
Yeah.
I don't want that.
You never know where that's
How you doing,
been.
little bud?
I know,
How you
right?
doing, little bud? You having fun yet? Yeah. They used up all your stuff. Oh, you're ready. How did you get sucked into this?
Oh, I didn't see Vanessa.
Wow, long time no see. You as well.
It was so funny that you didn't
Vanessa.
notice. You guys' disguises were just too good.
Showed up like this. She wasn't just like the waitress we had.
Yeah, so they got me really good. I didn't expect that, and I most definitely did not expect to see my folks. It's been a handful of years since they were here in Niagara. They live in British Columbia, and they not only got here a week ago and flew under the radar, but they made it here and disguised themselves in their 60s uniforms and completely surprised me, I'll tell you. So a lot of those friends and family that were here also keep an eye on our channel, and I just wanted to take the opportunity to tell everybody how much I appreciated all their efforts. Everybody made an effort in dressing up. I mean, when I came around the corner and the colors that were in the backyard, I was pretty floored by it all. And not to mention, we had a great time with some food and drinks like we normally do around here. I just appreciate everybody who made the effort to do this. It was absolutely a surprise, and I totally appreciate it. Next time around, the boys are coming tomorrow. We're getting back to work on the car, and we hope to get a little more done, of course, on that. But when family lies, I guess it's a good thing. And Mom and Dad, I'm not mad at you. So thanks for watching, and hopefully all of you get the same kind of warm welcomes from your family like I got from mine and from all of our friends, especially the ones that made a long drive to be here for my 60th. I don't feel 60, but I do feel 60 now, so take care.